Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now the only thing left for this section of the road is to put in the street lights and stoplights. So this section of the road is finished and we're driving from 10 miles Bull Bay to 12 miles Bull Bay. Now on the right where you see those poles sticking out of the Jersey barrier, that's where the street lights are going to go. So the name of the project is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, but no name has been given to this highway yet. And we have a suggestion. I think they should call this road, this section from Kingston to Harborview, the Andrew Holness Highway or the Holness Highway. Because Andrew Holness was very instrumental in this road being built. The original plans had called for a toll road going through the hills to connect you to Port Antonio, maybe Morant Bay and then Port Antonio. But it was changed and Mr. Holness wanted everybody to benefit from this road. So it's no longer a toll road and it actually takes the route of the original alignment of the main road. So the main road has been upgraded to what you see here. And because of that, places like Bull Bay, Yalos, Albion, Grand Spend are going to benefit tremendously from this highway. So I think they should call it the Holness Highway or the Andrew Holness Highway. And guys, we are not a political channel. It's the same way we agree with Highway 2000 being called the PJ Patterson Highway because he was instrumental in building that highway. And that highway would not have been built if it were not for Mr. Patterson being Prime Minister. In the same way, I don't think this road would have been built if Andrew Holness was not the Prime Minister. That is why I say the section from Kingston to Yalos, which is the section that's 4 lanes, where this is the section we're driving on now, should be named after him. Guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Now, if you notice, the white lines are in, the turning lanes, it's paved, good to go. The only thing missing now is the street lights. And they have started to put them in, but there's so many. They're putting in over 400 street lights and 11 stoplights. So they have started and they indicated everything should be finished, the stoplights and the street lights, by December of this year. So this road is to be finished by December, or I should say this section, because this road goes all the way from Kingston to Portland, but it's only 4 lanes to Yalos. From Yalos to Port Antonio, it's 2 lanes.